Hello and welcome to Japan by Food. I'm Phoebes and this is Phoebes to Table. But as you can see, this is not a table. I'm standing on a bridge in Wakayama Prefecture. But I'm here today to investigate a very different kind of flavor, a unique Japanese spice known as Sansho. In English, it's called Japanese pepper. I'm on my way to find out exactly how it's produced and exactly how we can eat it. Let's go and find out more. This is Aragi-jima, and the rice paddies here were first developed in 1655. And it makes for a really beautiful viewpoint because of the unique shape. For many people, it looks like a traditional Japanese fan. I've arrived at 𝐀𝐛𝐨𝐿 Sansho-en, and this is where they grow Sansho. This is where they also process the Sansho into something delicious that can be added to food. Konnichiwa!
Konnichiwa.
Hajimemashite.
はじめまして。𝐀𝐀𝐨山椒園の長岡と言います。よろしくお願いします。今日はね、まずは山椒の畑を見てもらって、その後乾燥した山椒を粉を引くところまでやってもらおうかなと思ってます。
私は一生懸命頑張りたいので、ぜひやらせていただければお願いします。
これが山椒の木です。みかんとかの仲間でなんですね。山椒は5000年前から日本人は食べてきているみたいで、この地方ではもう1000年以上前から山椒を使ってて、ここの山椒はぶどう山椒って言ってすごく粒が大きくてたくさん実をつけてくれますね。
So what I'm really interested to know is how the sansho on these trees is processed into something that we can enjoy, something that we can use as a spice in cooking. So I'm going to find out a little bit more about the process.
はい、それじゃあ下行っていきましょうか。
お願いします。
これは夏にとった山椒を乾燥してやつですね。でこういうふうに枝とか種とかがあって粉にするのがこの果皮、こう皮の部分ね、この部分をだけを粉にしていきます。
細かいですね。
細かい、そう、これ大変なんですけど、うちではこういうふうに全部こう手で分けてますね。こういうふうに一番夏の山椒は香りも辛みも強い。ストロングですね。
じゃあ一番ベストですね。
そうですね。
Here we have just the skins ready to be ground into powder. I'm going to give this a try, and the important part is to add them slowly, bit by bit, and actually get it moving because it really is heavy. Okay, see if I can keep going. Right. I'm not very good at keeping an even pace. ちょっとペースが良くないね。Look, he can put it in at the same time, and I'm struggling to like put some in whilst keeping it moving. Oh, so you have to pull this off? Oh, すごい。Okay, so you're going to sweep all the powder out of the grooves. Oh yeah. これすればいいですね。ごめんなさい。ちょっと。Lovely. It makes me think about cleaning my coffee grinder, actually. Right, okay. After our hard work, it would be bad if we swept it over the side. So, just clean it out like this. Oops. Wow, look at that color. It's so beautiful. Here we have our freshly ground sansho, and I'm so very proud.
はい、それじゃあこれを料理にして食べましょうか。
お願いします。We're going to try some on some food. お願いします。
はい、行きましょう。
美味しそう。
こちらがカレースープになってます。で、こちらが山椒のドレッシングのサラダです。で、こちらが柚子のヨーグルトになります。
ありがとうございます。I'm of course going to start with the soup curry that's got sansho sprinkled on top. So let's give it a try. That has a kick to it. It really does have some spice that tingles, but I've also got that real citrusy freshness from the sansho. That's so spicy. I'm super surprised at how spicy this is. I'm glad I'm sitting outside. Now let's try the rice, and I'm really intrigued by the sansho that have been boiled with soy sauce to give them a different flavor, and they've gone completely black. So, how do they taste? That was pure sansho, but you've got the sweetness and the saltiness from the soy sauce, and it really makes it seem even more fragrant. I feel like I've been zapped in pure sansho, and I'm such an addict, to be honest. Next up, we have the salad that looks beautifully fresh, and it has an onion and sansho dressing on top. That is so fresh and zingy. And then with the sansho, you've got that floral citrus notes, and it just brings out the flavors of the tomato and the pepper beautifully. But there's one thing I want to know. Why have I not had sansho on my salad so far? Why has this been missing from my life? This is incredible. Well, the curry was quite spicy with a lot of chili, and everything else has had sansho in, so I'm all tingly as well. So I think now is a good time for some yogurt. And this yogurt does not have sansho in, but it has yuzu, which is a citrus fruit and goes well with the sort of yuzu citrus notes in the sansho. Oh, that is so creamy, but with this beautiful fruity acidic note from the yuzu. Oh, I feel refreshed. I feel really lucky to be enjoying the sansho that has been grown just from around here. I may have just had yogurt, but I've heard another dessert is on its way.
こちらが山椒のバウンドケーキになります。こちらがガトーショコラで、チョコレートの中にこれも山椒のコンフィが入ってます。
I'm gonna start with this sansho drink, and it's made with a soda water and sansho syrup. So let's give it a try. It tastes lemony. It really tastes very citrusy, but it does have that light, florally, gentle, and very seductive taste, in my opinion. I just love sansho. Time for some sansho pound cake with the sansho confit in the middle. It really just tastes like pound cake, but with that little hint of sansho there, like a little hidden surprise. That's really fun, really interesting. I saved the chocolate gâteau till last because it's chocolate and it has my heart before I've even tried it. I'm smiling too much because I love chocolate so much. But the sansho is there, like just gently nudging through this very rich, creamy chocolate, saying, hello, here I am. And the flavors stand up to one another. Sometimes they clash, but that is really well balanced. So while I'm finishing dessert number 2 and number 3, I am actually going to be heading off to another cafe owned by 𝐀𝐻𝐨𝐝, where they have even more sweets that use sansho. So it's a very sweet afternoon. I'm here at Kado, which is a really cute cafe in a Kominka, an old traditional style house. And I'm here to try even more sansho sweets. Konnichiwa!
あ、こんにちは。
あ、こんにちは。ここめっちゃ可愛い建物ですね。古くからありましたか、ここは
65年ぐらい前に父親が独身の頃に建てたものなんです。
じゃあご家族の建物ですね。
そうですね。
ちょっとおすすめ食べ物を食べてみたいと思ってますが、何かおすすめ
そうですね。
ありますか？
メニューの中にはこの有田川町でできたものを取り入れてやってるんですけど、一番のおすすめはソフトクリームです。山椒ソフトクリーム。想
像できないんですけど、超美味しそう。
ではこちら山椒ソフトクリームです。クリームの中に山椒の葉っぱを練り込んでて、で上から山椒の乾燥の山椒をミルでひいてます。香りから楽しんでください。
じゃあ山椒の2種類ですね。
そうですね。
おー、楽しみにしてます。
はい。
My very first sansho soft cream. Oh, it's so fragrant. There's almost, as I said before, a little bit of saltiness to Sansho. And saltiness with sweet is just such a combination to die for, like salted caramel. So this is very, very addictive. I'm just looking at the menu and there are many delicious looking drinks, but without a doubt, I've got to try the Sansho Chai, which has other spices in it. So I'm very much looking forward to that. I'm gonna order both of those.
チャイできました。どうぞ。
あー、すみません、ありがとうございます。いや、じゃあ何が入ってますか？
これは和歌山でできたものなんですけれど、山椒とでシナモンとで生姜と唐辛子です。であとは紅茶に煮出してます。
じゃあ全てのスパイスが和歌山さんですか？
そうです。
Every spice in this chai is made in this area. I can't believe it. It's changing my whole image of Japan and the kind of flavors you can find here. Oh, it's a lovely afternoon, so I've come to drink my hot chai outside on the bench because I can also just admire the beautiful countryside. That is great. You have all the different elements of the spice in there. And of course, as I'm talking to you now, the slightly tingly feeling of the Sansho. After a day of learning about Sansho, this cup of spicy chai is the perfect way to wrap up. But what's really impressed me today is the variety of new ideas that Sansho producers are bringing to the ingredient, new products. This is a brand new cafe in an old traditional style building. They're really bringing fresh ideas and innovation. So I think the future of Sansho is very bright and I'm excited to see what will come next. So thanks for watching. Make sure you subscribe to our channel and I'll see you next time for more adventures on Feeds the Table. In the meantime, I'm gonna finish this cup of chai.